What's up, kindergarten? Happy 5th week. I miss all of you, and I'm still looking forward to meeting all of you very soon. It is Mr. Dalton. Our IB profile for our 5th week has changed. We were working on being caring. Now it is courageous, showing courage and being willing to try new things and not be afraid. Our attitude, independent. You've been committed. Now it's time to take independence and be able to do your work on your own. Okay? Kindergarten, today we're going to work on underhand rolling and we're going to be working on some ball control. Vocabulary words, kindergarten. Rolling. When we roll something, it should not bounce, okay? And catching, using our eyes and our hands to catch. We do not want to cradle a ball. We use our eyes and our hands, okay? Now, I'm going to show you what to do, but I want you all to be independent and stay committed. And pause your video. I want you to go and perform all of your locomotor movements for your warm-ups, and then perform our stretches for 10 seconds each. Then when you're ready and you're all warmed up and stretched, come back and I'll show you what we're going to do, okay? What's up? All right, kindergarten. So, if kindergarten you have a ball at home, I have this soft one, you can use anything. But first what we're going to do is we're going to hold it with one hand, with two hands, and we're going to throw it up and catch it. Is Mr. Dalton moving his feet? No, I'm throwing it up and catching it. Watching it with my eyes. The whole time I'm keeping my eyes on my object, okay? Can you do that 10 times and catch it? Good job. All right, now boys and girls, I want you to try to throw it up and catch it while you're walking. Just like this. Making sure we're keeping our eyes on it. Good. Can you go and do that 10 times, kindergarten? Good job. All right, kindergarten, now we're going to do this. Let's try to throw it up and keep our eyes on it. And Mr. Dalton's going to try to clap twice. Ooh, what's this? 3 times. See how many times I can do it. Kindergarten, can you see how many times you can throw the ball up and clap before you catch it? Good job. All right, now kindergarten. Now, we're going to work on some rolling, okay? So I want you to watch this. There are 4 main parts of rolling I want you to remember, okay? When we roll, if we have the ball in our right hand, we step with our other foot. If we have the ball in our left hand, we step with our other foot. So, first one is step with our feet. Our arm pendulum swings back. So that's 2. We bend our knees, that's 3. And we follow through, that's 4. Did you see how Mr. Dalton's ball did not bounce, boys and girls? Here's what I want you to do. You're going to find a nice wall, and you're going to practice following your 4 cues of rolling. Stepping, pendulum swing, bend, and follow through. See how Mr. Dalton's hand chases after the ball? Can you find a wall, boys and girls, and practice your rolling 10 times? Okay, now boys and girls, to continue practice your rolling, you can do a lot of things. You could pick a wall, or you could use fun things like Mr. Dalton. Watch this. I got an empty water bottle. Mr. Dalton's going to be creative here. I'm going to set my water bottle up, and I'm going to practice rolling, following my 4 cues. Step, pendulum, swing, bend, follow through. Whoa! See that? Kindergarten, I hope you can think of some other fun ways to practice your rolling at home. And I hope that you all have a great week. and I will see you next week. Mr. Dalton loves you and misses you all very much. And let me know if you have any questions. Bye, Panther Cubs.